Five things which can be a game changer. A, uh, in our mythology, if you go deeper down, you will find that fasting has a huge role to play. And today, scientifically, we understand that the cancer cells, after an age, they can easily be destroyed if we fast, microscavengers and so on and so forth. The second thing I feel that it is important to be mindful. Your thoughts are important, but your thoughts is not you. We get about 95% thoughts every day, which are nonsense thoughts, which have no meaning at all, which should not be acted upon. So, if we can learn the art of looking at our thoughts with equanimity. Fourth thing, which is spoken about in all religious texts, whether it's Bible, it's Quran, it's Gita, is detachment. I think it's important to see things with a illusion. There's something which is the truth, and there's something which is not true, which is the falsehood. I think life should be treated a little bit in between. Like you watch a movie, you know it's an illusion. You feel emotional, you shed a tear, but you know this shall pass away. खुश वो व्यक्ति है जिसकी खुशी छोटी है, सस्ती है, बहुत महंगी नहीं है. तो एक बड़ी गाड़ी से एक बड़े महल में रह के खुशी नहीं आती. I get to see people from the Latvian Delhi who are the richest of the country, who are the most rich. And if you see their houses, there, somebody mentioned कि हम लोगों की 7 जन्म उनके एक पल के बराबर होता है, वो ऐसी जिंदगी जीते हैं. लेकिन ऐसा बहुत अक्सर होता है कि वो मेरे इसी कमरे में बैठे होते हैं और शिकायत ये होती है कि डॉक्टर साहब मुझे नींद नहीं आती. आई फील if you live a simple life, that simplicity will give you so much happiness that no money in the world will be able to buy it. एक बहुत सुंदर हिंदी में कहूंगा, गालिब का शेर मुझे बहुत प्रभावित करता है और आई थिंक वो मेरी बात का सार कह देगा कि ता उम्र गुजर गई ये सोचने में कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. अर्ज किया है, ता उम्र गुजर गई ये सोचने में कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, जब वक्त आया तो पता लगा कि कोई सोच ही ना रहा था. तो सब अपनी जिंदगी में मसरूफ हैं. People are busy in their own lives. I think it is important to take responsibility for our own lives. It is important to be mindful how you are treating people around with sensitivity, but just shaping and living your life, just believing, hoping how you will affect the world takes away the opportunity of living a beautiful life.